T-Rex vs. humans! What everyone, welcome to Crazy Dino Toys. Today we'll be unboxing and building this awesome Jurassic Park 30th anniversary Triceratops research set 76959 in stop motion animation. Wow, the set is gonna put itself together. This set includes Dr. Ellie Sattler, Dr. Ian Malcolm, Triceratops, the Jurassic Park Explorer, and here you can see like the different action sets you can create with this set. Cool. Let's go ahead and get this thing built. Okay, let's see what was inside the set. We got an awesome set of instructions here. And you can see the different sets they have here. Sorry, I can't afford the bigger sets right now. I mean, I just don't have the money to buy them. So, looks like here we have a Triceratops head. Over here we have the Triceratops body. 1 bag, 2 bags, 3 bags of Legos, and a bunch of stickers. Cool. Let's put this together. Okay, let's check out this awesome set. As you can see, I have the gates of Jurassic Park set up in the background there. So this set includes Dr. Ellie Sattler and Dr. Ian Malcolm. Cool. Big, huge Triceratops and the Jurassic Park Ford Explorer from the Jurassic Park movie. And of course, a big pile of poop here with a removable top. Ew, you can see the berries that were inside that made the Triceratops sick. That's kind of cool. Okay, so let's check these out. So first, Dr. Ian Malcolm. He looks just like he did in Jurassic Park. Dr. Ellie Sattler, also the same. And then the Ford Explorer. Talk about a classic vehicle. I remember when this was like the dream car of a lot of people. So anyways, this one has the removable roof. You can see inside you got a GPS of, I think this is La Nublar over there. So you got room for 4 characters. Cool little steering wheel. Pops right back up. Jurassic Park 04. You can see the Jurassic Park logo there. The Jurassic Park license plates there. This is a Ford Explorer. And nice rubber tires. Runs really nice and smooth. Jurassic Park logo on the front. So that is cool. I mean, this, you got this big, huge... So the top does pop off here. just like the movie, how the T-Rex like pushes it in, so you could recreate the movie scenes. And then, of course, we got a new Triceratops. You got all the usual Lego movement on that. It's a cool dino, but I prefer carnivores. Okay, there we have it. Another awesome set built by Crazy Dino Toys on YouTube. WD Toys was my first channel. My new videos are here. Thanks for viewing, and I will see you soon. Click the subscribe button below this video to see a lot more fun videos. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.